Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. This is number 4 of 4, the 2021 389 flat tops that I got in, 72-inch flat tops. Beautiful trucks, 280-inch wheelbase, Cummins X15, 565 horse, 2050 torque, 336 gear ratio. In the rear, running on LoPro 24/5 wheels and tires. We did the round hole wheels on these instead of the Peterbilt holes. This one is silver. Everything else is, I got the dark color as the main color. This has got the dark, light color as the main color. This is silver with Radiant Red SEMINOLE. Not putting a border around it, and leave that for whoever buys it so they can put the third color on it. Just a real nice silver. Good metal flake in it. And then the red. It's a little harder to see, but it's really pretty nice metallic red. We did the breather lights. So let me start at the top here. Added 2 extra cab lights. Took the air horns off. Or didn't order them with them. We didn't take them off. We do not order them with air horns on the cab. So I added 2 extra lights. Cleared them all. And those come on there amber. 14-inch drop visor, polished. There's the front and back, the breather lights. And we did the internal. So this whole area lights up. Thing I forgot to mention on the other videos is back up in there, they've got a master disconnect. I think you can, I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Plus, that's where your block heater is too. Forward panel, and the cab lights, sleeper lights, all polished. Probably paint that tank silver is probably what I would do. Polished stainless steel def cover. Got a 110 on this side for fuel. Polished toolbox step. It's the back of the sleeper. Got the deep dark tinted window. 6 load lights. Then we do the radio and CB antenna on the back of the sleeper. With the 7-inch exhaust tips. The catwalk. Plugs, the posts. Jumper posts in case you got to jump a pony motor or something like that. And down in here we got the fuel shut off there. 30-inch Hodge belt. Quarter fenders. 285/75R 24/5 tires. Goodyears on these. Goodyear Endurance LHDs. Peterbilt Low air leaf suspension. 336 gear ratio. And full lockers. Right there. That's your air for your full lockers. Front drive axle and rear drive axle and inner axle lock. So it's a 3-way locker. Full lockers, some people call them. LED rear lights. $150-gallon tank on this side. Polished after treatment step. Front and rear breather lights over here. Take a look at the engine. There's that silver. It's a really nice looking silver. Probably very easy to keep clean. Said it's a 565 2050 torque. Air ride steer axle. Disc brakes up front. I did forget to mention that we do have disc brakes on the rear also. a little bit different color. It's really nice looking. It's kind of hesitant. Usually the main color is the dark, Seminole's the light, so we reversed it on this and came out really nice. Here's your flip up your blowdown. DAVCO 382 fuel filter. Here's your lube bank. All the power you should need. And now you will take a look underneath. Oh, forgot it. We threw the panels in there from right up there where the LED polished stainless steel panel went. So if a guy wants to put these original panels back on, he can. There's some vinyl to cover up the window, back window. You can access this all from inside the sleeper. So that's not a problem. Got a gray platinum interior. Before I get too far and forget, this one has a weight of 18,616. 18,616. Heated seats. And we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got, what did I say, 12 miles on this one. 2.7 hours. Full gauges we can get, which is 21 when we do the three-way lockers. We also got a PTO switch right here. Once guys use that and wire up PTO, it doesn't get any easier. AM, FM, CD player with Bluetooth. 18 speed. This one's just like the others that I took a video of. Got your business center. Place for a TV or storage. More storage above the bed there. Closet. Storage, more storage, good storage for a flat top. And then you can obviously pull the curtains together, zip them together. So that's the look at the silver one with red Seminole paint. Good looking truck, nice light color, easy to keep clean. We do a train horn on these too. So all four of them have a train horn on them. I think I forgot to mention that on the other ones. So there it is. That's the silver with Radiant Red Seminole. And that's number 4 of 4. There's the red and the blue over there. And then at the back we get the black and silver sitting back there. So as of now, I think all of them are still available. May have a deposit on that red and cream one, but as of right now, they are still available. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877, or you can email me at couchk@rushenterprises.com. couchk@rushenterprises.com. Appreciate it if you just put in the comments where you're viewing from. It's always fun to see kind of where everybody's from. And then if you get a chance, I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe, so every time I put one of these up, you get notified. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching.